Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OKX and set up trading alerts in-app easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your device. In the search bar, type OKX and press enter. Locate the official OKX app from the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Click the download or get button to begin the installation. Once the app has finished downloading, open it by tapping open or find its icon on your home screen. If you're a new user, select sign up to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email or phone number and create a secure password. Verify your email or phone number using the code sent to you. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. To set up trading alerts, look for the market section in the app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive alerts for. Tap on the cryptocurrency to view its details. Look for the alerts option, usually found on the price chart or details page. Tap on Set Alert. Choose the conditions for your alert, such as price increase or decrease. Input your desired price or percentage. Confirm your alert settings by tapping the Save or Create button. You will now receive notifications based on the conditions you set. Repeat these steps for any additional cryptocurrencies you want alerts for. Explore other features of the app to enhance your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.